To set navigation bar style to swipe gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. And then select swipe gesture thumbnail. Now you can navigate your phone with swipe gesture. To do the back button function or to go to the preview screen, swipe inward from the bottom left side or bottom right side. To do the home button function or to go to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom center of the screen. Well, to do the recent button function or to go to the recent app screen, swipe up from the bottom center of the screen to the middle of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.